I'm Don Ford.
And Doris. And we're from Lancaster, California.
Our latest project with Lenton was a room addition for a library. We have over 2,000 books and we needed a place to store them all. The room addition displaced our old fireplace, so we wanted to keep that feature in the home. They supplied us with a new gas-fired fireplace. It's clean, it's easy to maintain, and the look is just the perfect look we were wanting for the room. Involved in completely designing from the ground up the room addition with very specific requirements for the storage of all the books. We also wanted a place to sit and read, so the lighting, the fireplace, all the things that go into that were part of the design process with Heather. The workmen are very conscientious. All the subs that he hires are as good as the company employees themselves. Steve, Gene, all of these guys come in, they're pros, they know what they're doing, and then when they say they'll be there, they're there. The quality of their work is second to none.
And they keep everything clean.
Yeah. Every day they clean up the site, just like when they got there in the morning.
Yeah.
Lenton Company, they're easy to get along with. You know, if you need changes, you know, that's something that happens in every project. Things have to be modified. Like we had some issues with the design of the mantelpiece. Heather came out right away. In 20 minutes, they were done with where they changed the cabinet maker came back and made the modifications to make everything work and look just perfect.
Yes, I would.
Absolutely. This is our fourth project with Lenton. We had them do our kitchen, 2 bathrooms, and now this library addition. We highly recommend Rob and his team.